Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics, because mismatched versions often remove interactions. First, update the Sims 4 and any packs, then shut the game. Next, disable mods and custom content by moving the mods folder out of the Sims 4 directory. This isolates conflicts. Also, back up your saves folder to avoid lost progress. Once done, launch the game in clean mode to check if the sleep option returns. This simple isolation quickly tells you whether third-party content is the culprit. Now you dig into diagnosis and targeted fixes. Start a new household on a default lot. If sleep appears, the problem is household or lot specific. Use the reset command in the console to clear stuck sim states. This often restores missing interactions. If the issue persists across new households, repair the game through Origin or the EA app and make sure local files are intact. Once repair completes, test again. These steps rebuild corrupted settings and address deeper file problems. Finally, reintroduce content methodically so you find the offender. Move your mods back in small batches, testing the sleep option after each batch. When it breaks, narrow to the specific mod or package. Update or remove any outdated mods. Creators usually note compatibility with patches. If broken lots or items cause the bug, use tray import or cleanup tools to remove them. If nothing works, restore your backup saves and submit a bug report with reproduction steps. This helps developers fix persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.